wonderful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mary Emmanuel and I welcome you to Mary Emmanuel TV. And if today is first time you're coming across to this channel, on this channel I talk about food, lifestyle, politics, vlog. I do most of everything on this channel, so I welcome you here. Please, thank you so much. If you're my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate that. May God bless you all. So guys, today's video, please don't mind my hair, okay? I just want to try my wig that I just ordered from AliExpress. Yeah, so I just want to try the wig and to show you guys how the wig look like, and like a review. So I just want to try it on, so let's just dive into the video. I don't want to waste much of your time, so I'm going to show you guys the wig that I just got here. So I'll just bring out the little net that is there. So that is how the wig look. See guys, I just love the coils because it's bouncing. I've already tried I've already tried it. It looks so beautiful, so I'm going to try it again and show you guys how this wig look like. So let's just dive there. Here it has an elastic here, so you can adjust, just adjust. It's one thing I like about this wig. When I tried it before, it's so easy. You don't need gum, you don't need bonding. It will not just take you, like, let me say 2 minutes, you are good to go. Not just that the one that you just stay for maybe 10 minutes, you are applying this, you are doing this, you are doing that. But this wig, easy wear and easy go. Honestly, I just love this wig. So it's like person like me, I don't like sitting down to wasting my time doing makeup and all that. So like this one I just did, it's just a quick one, the one I can be able to do, just simple, my everyday simple look. So I'll just go ahead to try this wig so that you guys can see how this wig look like. So I will, first of all, I will just put it on. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot. Okay, here it came with ribbon cap, so I'm just go ahead to wear my cap, and also it came with this earring. I'll go ahead to put it on. Okay, let's just try it now. Oh my god, I almost forgot. Because I'm not used to that. I'm not used to putting on wigs, so I almost forgot that I'm supposed to wear my ribbon cap before I can put on the wig. So this is the go ahead to put on the wig now. So now I'm putting on the wig. So I'll go ahead to style it the way I want it. Actually, I don't like how it come up here, so I'll just style it how I want it. I hope you guys are seeing it. Wow, I love this wig honestly, because see, do you see how the coil is bouncing and all that? Oh my god, it's looking beautiful already. Okay guys, let me style it how I want it. Okay, Oh my god. So I'm going to show you guys the back when I get up, how the back look like. So I'm going to show you guys when I get up, but let me just tie the front and keep it how I want it. So I'll use my water to spray on top of it, so it's because it's just a new wig, I've not rubbed anything on it. So quick and easy to wear, honestly. So quick and easy to wear. Honestly, I'm liking the wig already. I'm liking the wig already. I think this style is even beautiful. Oh my god. This style is even beautiful. You see guys, so I'll rub my leave-in hair conditioner, that is Cantu. I'll go ahead to rub it. So here, I think the is coming. Okay, it's not okay. So guys, what do you think about this wig? It's beautiful, right? And so easy to wear. See, I have rubbed this. Look, do you see how the coil is bouncing and all that? Oh, I think like this is more beautiful. I think the wig is made to put on like this, not even to style it, but you can style it how you want. But it's looking beautiful. Yeah. Wow, did you see it, guys? Did you see that? It's so beautiful. So you know guys, I'm not good at this, so it's like I'm learning. So I'm learning. Oh my god, oh my goodness, I'm learning. So guys, what do you think about this wig? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. Wow. So guys, what do you think about this wig? It's beautiful, right? So I don't need, you don't even need brushing and all that, because the coil, I don't think I can brush it, because if I brush it, I may spoil the distract the coils, you understand? So I'll just leave it this way. Okay, so I'll get up and show you guys how the back look like. So guys, I have putting on the wig. This is how it look. It's beautiful, I like it. So I'm going to turn my back and show you guys how the back look. So this is how the wig look at the back. You guys are seeing it. It's so beautiful. Honestly, I love this wig. It's so easy. Why I love this wig? Because it's so easy to wear. It's not what some that I just spend a lot of time wearing. So it's so easy. So that is one thing I like about this wig. So it's like, if I can even style it this way if I want. You see, you can even style it this way. Okay. It's still beautiful. I love it. So easy. So guys, please don't mind me. I'm not used to all this, so but I'm just learning. So, but I think here is more beautiful. What do you guys think? Here is more likely beautiful. Here is okay. Wow, do you see how the wig, how the coil is bouncing? Wow, it looks so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, did you see it?